What's the chronology in speech development in babies?
Speech development in babies is a very wonderful organization given by the Almighty. As soon as the baby enters the world, it gives a birth cry. That is the first phase of his speech development. So everybody is happy as soon as the baby arrives because the sound is being heard by the doctors, nurses, and more so with the mother of the child as well as the father who is standing outside and the relatives. So it's a welcome sign because the baby has entered into the world. That is known as the first stage of speech development. And if the baby does not cry, there are so many other technical considerations to that. Then the baby starts to babble. So the babbling has got the phonemes of different languages of the world. So the baby is known as a citizen of the world because it has so many phonemes that it can have all the languages put together. Phonemes are single unit of speech sounds, like ba, sa, ka, like that. Then it goes into a next stage called lalling, where when the father or the mother comes and talks to the baby, that child tries to talk back. Okay, that's the lalling stage that comes between 6 months to 9 months. Then the stage comes is echolalia. The baby tries to echo back what it hears. Suppose it you say water, doesn't say water, it will simply say wa or ta or da. Some syllable sort of sound it will make. Then after 10 months, the true speech starts. The first word will come between 10 months to 11 months. Comes earlier in girls, that is a predominant sign. And then the boys are a little bit 15 days or 1 month delayed. They also start getting the first word. By 12 months, the baby has got about 3 to 4 words. And baby take statistics. What is the meaning of statistics here is babies will only respond to those sounds that are in the baby's environment. So suppose you speak Telugu language, the baby will take up Telugu language first, then English language, because which is more in significance. In normality, what is being told to the baby, like somebody speaking in Telugu, an ayah or anybody in the surrounding speaks 100 Telugu words and 50 English words, the baby takes statistics and takes up Telugu as a priority rather than English. So that is a remarkable capacity of the child's brain because it is growing. So at the age of 16 months, the baby will have nearly 200 words. Okay, and then as we proceed, at the age of 2.5, the baby will have about 150 to 250 words and about 25 sentences. By the age of 5 or 6, a baby will have heard 46 million words in the environment. That is the linguistic capabilities of the babies, and will have sentence structure and will have the grammatical structure by the age of 6. That's what most of the children go to first standard of schooling with that sufficient language vocabulary.